Hi friends, welcome back to Keeping Up with Miss Electra, and today I'm going to show you how I made this magnolia hoop wreath. So I gathered all the flowers and all the stems that I wanted. You need a glue gun, you need a hoop, any kind of size. Okay, right here I'm going to start taking the flower apart, the leaves. I'm going to start cutting the stems, getting everything ready. And now I'm going to see how I want to style it and how it's going to look. I'm going to play around with it. So this part is important because you want to see how it's going to really look and come out before you start hot gluing it. So right here I'm just playing around with it. Okay, so I like how it looks. Now I'm going to start gluing everything together. So make sure you hold it down because the hoop is pretty thin. Okay, so right now I'm going to just hot glue everything together. I put a little more glue in the back to secure everything. I even put glue on the leaves and stuck it onto the hoop to give it more stability. Okay, so this is how it turned out. I just love it. I put it here in my entryway for spring and for Easter. I just love how delicate that hoop ring, it gives that delicate look. I just love it. I'm so happy with it, and it was so easy to make. Okay, so right now I'm going to do another hoop wreath using the embroidery hoop. So I'm gathering all the flowers I want to use, very delicate flowers I'm going to use, shabby chic, French country kind of look. So I'm cutting them, and now I'm going to hot glue them around the hoop. Okay, so I finished hot gluing the flowers. Now I'm putting a juke rope to hang it by the juke rope. I put a little hot glue and then made a knot to secure it. And this is how it looks, and I love the way it turned out. I'm just happy with this, and it's so pretty and delicate, and you can even put it in the little girl's room. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video, and I hope you always remember to keep designing life. Bye!